Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError NoneType Object is not iterable. The TypeError NoneType Object is not iterable error occurs when you try to use an object that has a value of none as if it were an iterable, such as a list, tuple, or string. This error commonly occurs when you forget to return a value from a function or method, and the function returns none instead. Here's an example of how the TypeError NoneType Object is not iterable error can occur. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In this example, my_list is set to none, which is a special value in Python that represents the absence of a value. The for loop tries to iterate over my_list, but since my_list is none, it can't be iterated over, resulting in the TypeError NoneType Object is not iterable error. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the value you're trying to iterate over is actually iterable. For example, you could set my_list to an empty list to avoid the error. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this case, my_list is an empty list, which is iterable, so the loop will execute without error, although it won't do anything since the list is empty. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.